welcome back to the channel, and yeah, this episode is going to be all about Skylines. I know, I said it, Skylines. Don't do many Skylines here, but we do a few, map a lot, but not so much work on them. So I had a Skyline and loved it, best car I've ever owned. So yes, this is going to be all about Skylines. Couple of cars in here from going to OG battles on Wednesday, so let's go and have a look around the cars. We've pulled an all-nighter to try and get them ready. I have been like really ill, COVID, flu, generally just really ill, given up smoking as well, so I had a smoker's flu as well, and I'm still in quite a lot of pain. So yeah, all-nighter was a good laugh. Bailey, Rob, Mike, all got involved, and yeah, managed to pretty much rebuild an entire engine overnight. Well, I say cylinder head was off, but everything else. So the block was in the car, but the head was off, and turbo inlet, everything else was off. And in one night, with 3 of us working on it, we've managed to put it back together and have a running car in the morning. Anyway, keep watching. Cheers. So the R33 GTR Midnight Purple made a monster 926 wheel horsepower. So it's going to be a fast car, that. That's like 1100 horsepower at the crank, so yeah, done really well.
Just to show you guys, the time is 3:05 and me and Rob still here working on the Skyline. So 2 new additions to the SRD car park this week. We have this R34 GTR with an R33 Neo, and we have this Toyota Chaser with a 1JZ that's in for ECU, and this one is in for mapping.
So getting the 33 and the 34 GTR ready for OG. We worked all night, we got there in the end. However, there was a leak on the inlet manifold and the 34 didn't make it. Yes, we tried. We did try very hard. It's been awesome, but yeah, we'll carry on and carry on working.
Boss.
Okay. Thanks for watching. Hope you all enjoyed this this episode. Anyway, guys, hit that like and subscribe button. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.